Okay, the tank's full. I'm at minus 20 or negative 25 inches of mercury, and I got the heating elements heating up right now. I just turned them on, so we'll see how long it takes to soften up the plastic. I'm just gonna come right into your face for a second there. Grab something I left out here. Right now the plastic's at 23 degrees Celsius. What's nice with this design is I can, if I need to, I can allow more coolness. If I need more heat, I can control where this is at very easily for height. It doesn't lock into any spot. It's balanced, so it stays pretty much where you want, or pretty close to balanced. We're now at 36 degrees. $39 and counting, and we're heading for, if I remember right, 285 to 365 degrees. Shouldn't take too long. It's already starting to warp. You can see it sort of bulging upwards. It's pretty funny that it bulges upwards before it bulges downwards. 73 degrees already. This just gives the surface temperature of the plastic, so the upper side is going to be hotter than the bottom side. I'm worried about scorching the plastic, so that's why I'm taking a lot of measurements. 104 degrees. It's starting to bulge downwards. It's not soft by any means yet. It's probably been about a minute. Not sure what that sound was. One side's down, one side's up. I think he's just flexing the plastic. This is 1/8 inch plastic, by the way. Actually bulged down an inch, but it's more of just the expansion and contraction that's going on right now than anything else. This whole thing is running on 240 volts and runs on 12 amps per element. Elements can't be run at the same time as the compressor. It's not a thing. I've got a backup system here that runs on 120 for in case I need the compressor for this test run. Under 110 degrees up there. On the PID controller, it's set to 175 degrees Celsius, which, so I may not get hot enough. I'm not sure, we'll see. I'm pushing 147 right now and on my way to 175 for my limit where it's set. Change it to 275. Probably going on about 3 minutes now. At 120 degrees. Smell the newness coming off of the burners and the heat on them. In case you're wondering, so there was a fire extinguisher right behind me. Keep walking into it. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it's starting to bulge down here a little bit. It's kind of lumpy, but it's getting to it. It's starting to get to a temperature that it might do something. It's definitely bulged more than I expected it to before it even got warm. Might need a better clamping system or so, but we'll see. It's like watching water boil. Suddenly getting very soft. Kind of lumpy still. Temperature's still just saying 120, but it's definitely raised 125. 130.
It's really smoking at the top.
Hmm?
It's really smoking at the top.
Yeah, that's the oil on the metal burning off. That's I'm expecting it. Hopefully it doesn't set off the smoke detector upstairs. Trying this foam gasket. I'm not even sure if it's going to handle the heat or not. We're going to find out. And let it go for another minute. Temperature of the box up top is only 23 degrees. 25 degrees on the top here. So it's actually just lukewarm. There's more heat coming around the edges than anything else. So the insulation that I put in it is working. There's oven insulation in between a 1-inch layer. It's rated for like 1700 degrees. The actual, we get this to point at that. The element itself is at 425 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I think I'm going to give it a try. The temperature is not getting what I'm expecting. I'm at 152. I know it's supposed to go hotter by the information for that kind of plastic, but this is bulged down probably about 6 inches now. It's coming to a very nice, even look. It's 136 in the middle. It's 202 on the edges. So I'm going to give it maybe 30 more seconds, and then we're going to shut the elements off. I'm going to drop it down. I'm going to set the air off, which is going to happen fast. And I'm shutting it off now for the heat. and it's stuck on. That's not the time it's stuck. Okay. Obviously, I gotta figure out something for that. It must be the heat expanding stuff. I don't have gloves on, so not making things easy. Okay, so I gotta work on the arm. I'm gonna come closer here. Go around. It actually looks like it pulled it really nicely. Watch it, don't overheat the phone though. But I took the shape. It didn't contour up here because it was too cool in the center, and it's bouncing back. So my vacuum isn't enough to hold the vacuum. So let's